Hello everyone. So I am Rashid from Thadumal Shahani Engineering College. I am pursuing computer engineering and I am in first year. So I made a notes taking app which have features like sign up, login, logout. I made it using PHP and focused more on its backend rather than its front end. So used Bootstrap features. So let me show you the app. So here's this. So welcome to iNotes. And if you have please sign up if you have come for the first time, and you can log in if you have already signed up. So let me show you the sign up feature of this. So let me show you, let's add some username and password to this. So you can see your account has been successfully created and you can log in now. And let me create another account. See, let's try to and add password to this. So you can see your another account has been created, which is let's try to. But here I want to show you the feature. Let's try entering the same username and creating another account. So let's see what happens. So you can see username already exists, so you cannot make a same account with the same username, so you need to use a different username. And let me show you one more feature of this. So let's try 3 and let me add a password, but in the confirm password I will add a different password. So let's see what happens. So you can see password didn't match. Okay, so these are some of the features of the sign up menu. And let's log in with the two accounts which we have already created, that is let's try 1 and let's try 2. So let's see what happens. So now you can log in. You can see over here, welcome, let's try 1. And you can log out from there are two ways of logging out. There is this login button and there is this using link. You can log out from any of these. And let's add some notes to it. So hello, you have exam. So see, you can see over here your notes have been submitted. Note title is hello. And you can see, let's try another note. So let's, you have to study. So you can see over here your another notes have been submitted, and you can see over here it's submitted over here. Now let's log out. This time I'm using this link to log out. So now let's go into the another account, which is let's try to enter the password and log in. So you can see it's all empty because the one which I've added in the previous one was let's try 1. So this is another account which is totally empty. So you can add over here also. I'm just adding some random notes. You can see it has come over here. And now let's log out from this. I've already made an account which is Alive Walkthrough. So let me show you the tables feature. I've added a lot of notes over here. You can see. So I want to show you the tables feature of this. So let me show you the search option. So like if I write bring, so you can see this shows the bring. It searches in the notes and bring the items which have the BRI thing in that. And okay, and over here you can see the 10 entries, and then you can also see the next entries which is on the page 2. So you can go over here and you can see 11, 12. I just added some random notes. So, and if you want to see all the entries, you can select the number of entries you want to see at one time. So let's see 25 entries at one time. So it has only 11, so it is showing only 11 entries. So I hope you like my website, and so I will just log out from this. Last time I used this link, now I will use this logout option. And you cannot go to home page without logging in. So if you try to go on home page, it will come into the login page again. So first you have to log in and then only you can go to the home page. So that's it. Hope you like. Thank you.